Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your in-game language in HardReset. To change your language in HardReset, first open your Steam library. From there select HardReset. Left click and go to Properties. You can also do this from this menu. Once there, in the General section, you can change the language from English to one of the included language packs. For example, if I select German and I launch the game, the entire game will be in German. I will switch back to English, of course. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like, comment and subscribe.